Welcome! The roots have arrived. Let the work begin. The morning harvest arrives. The roots are fresh. Now, the cleaning begins. We'll start washing them immediately.
The journey of our glass noodles begins here, with these freshly harvested canna roots.
Keep coming back, slowly. Almost there. Stop.
Let's begin the washing process.
We start our day with the arrival of fresh canna roots, ready for processing into the finest glass noodles. Inside a modern glass noodle factory, the day begins with freshly harvested canna roots arriving. Industrial machines wash the roots, removing
These fresh roots are carefully washed before we begin crushing to extract the starch.
Listen and doodle. The roots are perfectly clean. Next stop, the crushers. Filtration systems are intricate.
Time to make some glass noodles.
Start the washing cycle. Roots are clean. Feed the starch. Now extruding. Ready for packaging.
The heart of the process is here, where the roots break down. The starch, now a milky flow, separates, preparing for the noodles. The journey begins with the highest quality roots, washed and ground. The starch is extracted and refined into a perfect dough.
This is the raw canna root, the foundation of our noodles. The washing process is crucial, ensuring the heart of the operation. Grinding these canna roots extracts the pure starch we need for our glass noodles.
The advanced starch filtration system is now open. The extraction process is underway. The journey of the glass noodle begins with the raw canna root. Cleanliness is critical. Every edge, every tank must be perfect. The roots arrive, ready for cleaning.
The washing process begins.
Now, to check the starch depth. The pure starch is slowly settling at the tank bottom, a vital step in our traditional process.
The canna roots are ready. Let's start the washing. Good. The water is perfectly clear above the starch layer.
The careful drainage of excess water, revealing the refined starch below.
The purity is exceptional. The perfect consistency we look for.
The journey begins, activating the machines to wash the roots.
The machine is nearly finished kneading the dough. Perfect. We can begin the extrusion process now.
The journey begins with the arrival of fresh canna roots. The starch is refined, then mixed into a perfect dough. Ladies, the journey of the canna root into glass noodle begins. We check the purity of the starch here.
The pressure must be exact for perfectly even strands.
Yes, this is the quality we strive for. The heart of the factory beats. Perfect strands.
The heart of the factory begins with these fresh roots.
The starch is
Them form.
the first batch. Perfect. Outstanding, Kênh.
The journey begins as fresh roots arrive.
Watch as pure starch is extracted.
Our automated process creates perfect noodles.
The journey begins early with fresh canna roots arriving at the factory. We process the roots carefully to extract the pure. The journey begins with the freshly harvested canna roots. The industrial washing machines spin rapidly, removing dirt. Then,
The fresh batches of noodles must be hung skillfully. Weighing and packaging are the final steps before shipment.
The sunlight is perfect today. These noodles will dry beautifully. We must maintain our high standards.
Question. The journey of the glass noodle begins, carefully harvested and brought to the factory. The roots are
Keep them moving. Okay, this one's ready. Just in time. Push it in. All right, she's in. Closing the door.
The temperature is exactly where it needs to be. The roots are washed and ground, the starch extracted, and
個陣啲地咧，佢哋ครับ佢當所做編輯配嘅ครับ，我ตั้ง定ทีเป็นองค์นี่我จนมีวิธีนี้ต้องมีวัด
The roots are unloaded, then ground to extract the starch, which we refine, and then extrude into these perfect noodles.
the roots are ready.
adjust water pressure
Precise weighing is essential for quality.
อันนี้แบบนี้นะครับถ้าความทำตีนะครับที่ด้านดีด้านดีไปจะนี้ได้ก็ดีนะครับ
This is the journey of our premium glass noodles, from the earth to your table. Watch as we transform fresh canna roots into.
The journey begins here, with the roots. They arrive, caked in earth. Watch the water work. Now the journey of our glass noodles begins here, with the fresh canna root.
Another good day. The noodles are perfect.
Another successful day. Let's do it all again tomorrow.